Welcome, we are solving question from GATE 2021 Electrical Engineering. So it says that the switch S was in closed position for a long time. So this switch was closed for a long time, it is opened at t equal to 0. We have to find IL of t, so we have to find the inductor current for t greater than 0. So first I will draw the circuit for t equal to 0 . So if we draw the circuit for t equal to 0 minus, the circuit looked like this. This switch was closed, this was 4 ohm resistance, this was 30 volt voltage source. But they were of no use because it is in parallel with a short circuit. So this IL at 0 minus, IL at 0 minus is equal to 10 ampere. IL at 0 minus is equal to 10 ampere. Now we will draw the circuit for t equal to infinity. We will draw the circuit for t equal to infinity. So at t equal to infinity, the circuit looks like this. This switch is open, so it is gone. Again, inductor in steady state behaves like short circuit. So IL at infinite, IL at t equal to infinite is equal to, so total resistance is 5 ohm and total voltage is 40 volt. So it will look like this. IL at infinite equal to 8 ampere. Now we will find the time constant of the circuit. Now we will find the time constant of the circuit. So to find the time constant, we will short circuit the voltage source, and first we will find the equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance R equal to 5 ohm, and the inductance value is also given. Inductance value is also given as 0.5. So tau equal to L by R, which is equal to 0.5 upon 5. So this is equal to 0.1. Tau equal to 0.1. Okay, tau is equal to 0.1 second. So e to the power minus t by tau, e to the power minus t by tau equal to e to the power minus 10t. Okay, e to the power minus t by tau is equal to e to the power minus 10t. So IL of t, the formula is IL of infinite plus IL of infinite minus IL of 0 plus into e to the power minus t by tau. So IL of infinite is 8. So 8 plus 8 minus 10. So 8 minus 10 is minus of 2. So minus of 2 e to the power minus 10t. This is the answer. Sorry, it is actually 8 IL of infinite plus IL of 0 plus minus IL of infinite. So IL of 0 plus equal to 10 and IL of infinite is 8. So this will be equal to 8 plus 2. The formula is IL of t is equal to IL of infinite plus IL of 0 plus minus IL of infinite into the exponential term e to the power minus t by tau. So IL of 0 minus is equal to IL of 0 plus 10 minus 8. So it will be equal to plus 2. So 8 plus 2 e to the power minus 10t. This is the answer. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.